Samsung Galaxy T220 is Tab A7 Lite, currently Google locked, so we're gonna unlock it by unorthodox methods. Hopefully Samsung Android will patch this. Google, come on. First thing you need to do is make sure that both MTK driver and Samsung USB drivers are installed. Without that, you won't have any connection to Android Utility Pro. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to use Flash Tool to use a scatter file. Let's just deselect preloader. Just went to format. Now there's a particular string, a particular addresses that we need to enter here. So let's just have a look back here. There's the addresses. Okay. Right, now before we hit start, we're just going to have to disable authority by using another tool. It's the Android Utility Pro that normally you'd use a dongle with, but in this case we're just going to use a USB. Now when you click Android Utility, it will say that you need to update to the latest version, so we're not going to do that. Instead of doing that, what we're going to do is just change the system time, because this is run on a certificate that's expired. So I will just take the auto time zone off and change manually. I like to change it back to the 4th of November 2023. Okay, so as you can see, done, 4th of November. Right, so if we try Android Utility again, sometimes it will come up with the update software again. Just select no and then try to open again, as it has done right here. So still select no, open up the utility again. There you go. Would you like to continue with limited version without a dongle? Yes. Okay, that's that done. Right, and here, going to do the chipset. We're just going to disable authority. Now we need to put it into boot RAM mode. So you hold both up and the down buttons while plugging in a USB data cable. So I'm just going to do that right now. Oh, helps if I power it off first. So we have to power off first. So as we enter the USB cable, you want to be holding both volume up, volume down. It will vibrate twice before it enters BRAM mode, and then as soon as it connects here. As long as you've got the drivers installed, it should automatically connect. Now the first time I tried, it failed, but then I just restarted the device, then powered it off, and then tried to enter BRAM mode again, and then it was a success. So it might see what happens here. Okay, I'm just going to put it into BRAM mode. Okay, as we can see here, Oh, it's done. It's actually done it this time. So as you can see, the authority is now disabled. So we should be able to just go ahead and start rewriting this data. Status error. Let's just do this again. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Have I put a scatter file in? Yeah. Let's just make sure. Okay, got a few errors, so let's just go and make sure we've got the correct port here. Connection. Complement. Yeah, that's correct. Yay! Right. So let's go. Let's see what happened. Here we go, and it's actually gone past. I've been able to skip the Wi-Fi. Right, there we go. So it's actually worked. I've now got access. That's quite a bit of a flaw, that. So hopefully that will get patched very soon. Yeah. Okay, that's great.